This segment is sponsored by Winslow, McCurry, and MacCormac.
Brandon Nexsen, partner with Winslow, McCurry, and MacCormac, joins us today. Brandon, it is great to see you. You have some important insight to share with us. Should you find yourself in a situation where the police are signaling for you to pull over, from a legal perspective, there are a few things to consider.
So the first thing you want to do is, when in doubt, pull over your car. If you're on a highway, you want to get off the shoulder as much as possible so that you're out of traffic, and when the officer approaches your car, they will be out of traffic as well. If you're on a city street, you're going to want to try to find a parking lot. If it's nighttime, try to find a well-lit parking lot, just so everyone involved in the interaction can be safe. The second piece of advice would be polite with the officer, be cooperative with the officer, but don't be too cooperative. There's a good chance they're going to ask your permission to search the car during the stop. You've got an expectation of privacy in that car. You don't need to give them permission. If you do give them permission, then there's nothing an attorney is going to be able to do later to try to keep that evidence out of court. So always be polite with the officer, but don't offer up any more evidence than you need to. My third piece of advice would be, no matter what the infraction is, even if it's a minor thing, you probably want to call an attorney, especially an attorney who's familiar with that jurisdiction, and just try to get some advice. Even if you're not looking to hire someone, most attorneys I know are more than happy to give out free advice over the phone, give you some pointers about going to court, and just make the whole experience a little less nerve-wracking.
Important perspectives from Brandon Nexsen with Winslow, McCurry, and MacCormac. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Jessica.
Winslow, McCurry, and MacCormac is located at 1324 Square in Midlothian. Give them a call at 804-423-1382 or visit online at wmmlegal.com. You'll find them on Facebook at WMM Legal. And stay tuned, we're going to recap and share our final thoughts when Virginia This Morning returns in less than 2.5 minutes.